Hi, my name is Susan Carter and I am one of the owners of the Slice of Life Cafe in Duncan, British Columbia. And I am here to tell you about some of the applications of the Kangen Water ionizer. The machine is a joy to work with. We benefit from increased energy and fewer aches and pains, and customers tell us that the food tastes better. And people love our salads. After soaking them in the Kangen water, the Greek salad, the broccoli salad, the quinoa salads, they all taste smoother, fresher, and they hold up really well. Often, the first thing that customers do when they come into the cafe is head over to the fridge and grab a bottle of our Kangen water. We no longer sell bottled water as a result. And we found that using a little bit of strong alkaline water in our salad dressings stops them from going solid in the fridge. So I'm soaking this broccoli in strong alkaline water, and it will remove any pesticide residue, any waxes. It really makes a difference in the taste of the vegetables. I can see all the residue coming off right now, actually. This is an example of what comes off the broccoli. Just look at that stuff. Okay, so what we are going to demonstrate here is how efficiently the strong Kangen water removes the residues of pesticides and herbicides. This is the strong Kangen water here. Just going to pour it over these little cherry tomatoes. And this is the tap water. We're going to demonstrate how we're washing our vegetables with chlorine. Really? No. This will remove the pesticides. The chlorine will be absorbed on this side. We use strong Kangen water for pre-soaking our sprouts. It speeds up the sprouting process. In addition, we use the strong Kangen water for soaking the quinoa and the rice, and it makes for lovely